Nana is gonna make leek pie or little Benya. Bureko. Say it.
But can I put it on?
What?
Can I put this on?
Wait, no. Nana laid some of the filo dough here. Let me. And then you're gonna help Nana to put leek, kale, feta cheese, and eggs. Just do it. Put it inside.
But can I?
Are you recording, Jishu?
Yes.
Yes.
Put everything in, Scarlett.
Okay,
And
so
spread
this
it
is
all.
Albanian food.
Yeah, it's a burek Albania,
Because
right?
I'm sleeping over here, and
Yeah.
Mrs. Jane, we're trying to make you happy.
Yes, Mariana.
Because I'm gonna have this for lunch, and no, I don't think anyone's gonna know what it is. So we're showing you how to make it,
Yes. Now we can have you serious.
and you'll see what it looks like.
Put it inside Zamahin. And spread it all over, right?
Yeah.
Do you like
And
burek, Scarlett?
Yeah, I'll do the rest.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I'll do the rest.
No, I'll do
It
it
looks very
Okay.
awful.
because I'm
Now
small.
give it to Scarlett because we don't have time, Zamahin. Okay. Now?
Be careful, Scarlett.
Yeah, yes, right. Now we're gonna put all the rest of the filo dough on the top, and I'm gonna bake it after I sprinkle with the olive oil, and then you're gonna eat it.
Yes, and it's gonna look delicious.
Delicious.
And we're not gonna know who you are.
And anybody too.
Hi, my name is Adit. I am in Miss Monopoly's 4th grade class. Today I will teach you how to make homemade hummus or hummus in Hebrew. First you need 7 ounces of chickpeas and you need some tap water. And you need to soak them in it for 8 to 24 hours. The best idea is to leave them overnight. Now you have to drain the water and put the chickpeas in a pot that's big enough. Put a half a teaspoon of baking soda, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Then cover the chickpeas with water and make sure that there's an inch between the surface and the chickpeas themselves. Then bring it to a boil and then lower the heat and let it simmer until the chickpeas break when you squish them. Now put 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil in, and 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and the chickpeas. And you might want to get an adult to help you with this. Amazing. We'll just put this back there. And you also want to add 6.5 ounces of tahini or trina in Hebrew. Also get an adult to help you with this. And 2.5 ounces of ice. If it melts and there's water, it's fine. Now put it on the blender and blend it.
Hi, this is Miss Carmona from ELL. I'm Cuban and I'm going to show you how to make arroz con pollo today. Arroz con pollo is yellow rice with chicken. You could use chicken thighs, chicken, drumsticks, breasts, cut it up, fry it, which is what I'm currently doing right now. What makes it yellow is a spice called vihol. It's not anything in particular. It's anchiote peppers it's a seed that makes things, it's like a natural dye with a little cumin. I can't find it in Boston, so I substitute it with turmeric and add a little bit of turmeric to make it yellow, and I add cumin and all the other things. Don't tell my Cuban family they'll be beside themselves. They'll send me bihol. I haven't bothered to explain to them that I don't. It's okay without it. This is a very simple dish. You cut up everything. Right now I have like, I cut up a medium onion and some bell peppers that I'm gonna saute after I fry my chicken. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of turmeric, some thyme. Here I have a bay leaf, cumin, and salt. Probably about a teaspoon of each. And I'm turning my chicken. So we want to get it a little crispy before we add the rice and the chicken broth and everything. I'm trying to fry these, and I want them to be kind of crispy. The reason I'm doing it right in this pan, because the broth of the chicken, what's left of the chicken will become a broth. Now, you could do the same thing if you want to make a paella, except you make it with seafood. And of course, seafood cooks much faster than chicken. So here I have the leftover of the chicken. I've put the chicken aside. Now I'm gonna saute the bell peppers and onions with just a little bit of olive oil. I'll add to it. So now I'm gonna add cumin and salt. Olives with pimentos in them. They're not spicy, the pimentos, and Cubans don't like spicy food. I'm sauteing it with the bell peppers and the onions till it's kind of glazed over. What we want it to look like. So now we're going to add the rice. I have 2 cups of rice. I have about 3.5 cups of water. I have 8 ounces of any kind of marinara sauce will be fine. I'm also going to add a bay leaf. You could add 2 if you want. A little bit of thyme, because who doesn't want or need thyme? And a little bit of turmeric. For a little bit more flavor, you can add some chicken broth. So I have water in here. I have a little bit of chicken stock, and I mix it in for extra chicken flavor. Now, mind you, you don't want to overcook the chicken. My chicken is right here. This is the same pot I use, so it has the flavor of the chicken that was left in the pot. But that's it. Now we're gonna cover it for about 25 minutes. Hi, we're back. So I cooked it for 25 minutes and it looks really good. Let me show you. There we are. Now there's 2 more ingredients missing that we put towards the end. About 1/2 cup to 1 cup of peas. You could use fresh, frozen. I have frozen, so that's gonna do. And the other thing that I'm not putting in that's very controversial for some is raisins. Some Cubans put raisins, some Cubans don't like the raisins. So you can decide if you want the savory or not savory, sweet and savory dish mixed. I like the raisins, the rest of my family doesn't, so we don't put the raisins. So here's my chicken, and I will just toss it in here and mix it. And yellow chicken and rice is finished. So here's my chicken and rice. It's delicious. It's also a gluten-free recipe. There is no gluten in here, so enjoy. Bon appetit.